Amar Prem is a movie. It can be watched over and over again, but you need to have that kind of serious thought process to understand the movie, because this movie is not for youngsters. It's for it can be enjoyed by youngsters, but mostly for elderly people, middle class, middle aged basically. It talks about a deep relationship between a man and a woman, and the woman was a prostitute, and she was compelled to take to this, you can say, unmeanly, like a lowly kind of profession, because her hubby wanted a kid, and she was not able to bear a child. So he remarried, and he just chucked her out of the house. In spite of her pleas to let her live with him, he didn't pay heed, and then she had to take shelter at her mom's place, who also kept her for some time. But later on, she was also poisoned by few who told her that she's taking money to sleep around, etc., etc. So she was told to leave her mom's house also, and in desperation, she had to take shelter in a prostitute home, where she learned dance. And then, as in most of the movies and in real life also, she found solace there, because there was no option. But basically, she was a very kind hearted and decent woman by character, but she was forced into this hell. And there comes Rajesh Khanna, whose wife was a fashionista, most of the days outgoing parties, kitty parties, whatever, cocktail parties, etc., etc. So they were not having a good relation. So he had some kind of vacuum in his life, and it is very natural. If you don't get that kind of comfort at your own place, you look for outside. You look for your emotional succor outside. So he also went out in search of happiness, and there he met this female, Sharmila, and they kind of developed a bond. It was not physical, it was actually emotional. He used to get kind of comfort when he used to be with her, and he used to pay her regularly every month. And it was not a physical thing as people will presume, and even many viewers will think that how is it possible. But that is why the name is, it is true love. It was beyond all these attraction and all this emotional comfort he used to get. Sometimes he used to take her out for boating and all, and there's a lovely song. And then comes a time when they had a neighbor whose stepboy, was ill-treated by mother, Bindu, and he himself found solace in this female. He considered her to be his mom, and they developed such strong bond that it was difficult to separate them. But there came a time when he moved to another city with his family, and he grew up to be a fine individual as Vinod Mehra. He was in Patna for 5 years, and then he came in search of his mom. She was not related by blood, but she was more than mom. And that point of time, she was working as a housemaid at someone's place, and there she was ill-treated. And even the hubby was there, who was ill and very much in need of people, but there was nobody. This is called destiny. He ill-treated her, and now he was at her mercy, and there were no relatives who could take care of him, and eventually he died. And then all three of them united. Vinod Mehra took Sharmila at his place. By that time he had got married, and he had also a child. And then Rajesh Khanna also had a chance encounter with her, and he was totally enthralled to see. and she touched his feet and said that you have only given everyone, you didn't get any joy in your life. And then Rajesh Khanna tells Vinod Mehra, take your mother home, and the movie ends. So bottom line, sometimes relationships are so much deep, even in spite of not being related by blood. These relationships you can say at times they are much more deeper than what we have as you can say, as a family. In this movie, it clearly shows. So, when we actually connect to someone, it's not only via blood or something. There's something which connects two people together. This movie is a must watch. Who think that people are basically bad and cheap in the profession of sometimes they are forced, as it's shown in the movie 5 stars.